In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your account email address on your Wix account, a crucial task for those who need to update their contact information and ensure they don't miss important notifications or updates from Wix. We'll walk through this step-by-step process together, making sure it's straightforward and easy to follow so you can update your email with confidence. To get started, head over to the Wix homepage. You'll want to focus your attention on the top right-hand corner of the page. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal several options, and the one we're interested in is labeled Account Settings. Click on that, and you'll be redirected to a new page where most of your account details reside. Now that you're on the Account Settings page, your next task is to locate a small pencil icon. This icon is situated right next to your current account email address. Clicking on this pencil will allow you to edit the information there. Think of it like your ticket to making any necessary changes. Upon clicking the pencil icon, Wix will prompt you to verify your identity for security purposes. You'll need to enter your Wix account password to proceed. This is just a precautionary step to ensure that only you are authorized to make changes to your account information. So type in your password confidently. Once you've verified your password, it's time to enter your new email address. Make sure to double check it for any typos. Accuracy is key here to prevent login issues or missed communications. Enter your new email, and once you're satisfied it's correct, click on the Next button. At this stage, Wix will send a verification code to the new email address you just provided. Head over to your email inbox and look for a message from Wix. It should contain a verification digit code. This step is crucial as it confirms that you indeed have access to the new email address. Once you receive this code, return to the Wix page and enter it into the designated box. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email on your Wix account. Everything should be good to go now. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to revisit these steps to ensure nothing was missed. Your new email address is now linked to your Wix account, providing peace of mind that you'll receive all important correspondences without interruption. If this video was helpful for you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content in the future. It really helps us out, and we're always happy to have you with us. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.